I'm going to give you a little exercise right now. I hope you've been periodically breathing in our first 17 minutes or so. And so you'll just start right now with a deep breath in through the nose. Go ahead and release it through the mouth. There you go. That's terrific. So a deep breath in and a deep breath in through the nose and release the breath through the mouth. So as you're starting with that breathing, you have the space, you have the awareness. The first thing that conscious breathing does for you is it creates awareness. And awareness is a penetrating light. Awareness is a penetrating light. It's an action, awareness, and a reaction, but it's also a penetrating light. It's a penetrating light inside yourself. So as you're breathing, right now, you're creating a state of awareness. You're illuminating the light within yourself. So continuing to breathe and hold that. You can close your eyes or leave the lids kind of half-mast, and you can breathe, keeping the body straight, the feet flat on the floor, the palms open, hands loose in your lap. It's an exercise you can do every once in a while. Now imagine as you're sitting in your seat comfortably that there's a movie screen in front of you, or a computer screen. Most of you are used to looking at screens these days. So wherever your mind takes you, to a movie screen or a big computer screen, or perhaps you could imagine a chalkboard or a blank page. So whatever is more comfortable for your mind, let yourself set it up and imagine. And as you observe that blank space, just kind of a blank white screen, the movie hasn't started yet, the flickering images aren't moving across it yet, the colors aren't there, the words aren't there. It's simply a blank screen or a blank chalkboard. Whatever comes to you, just notice it. Is it a screen? Is it a chalkboard? Is it a blank page? Doesn't matter. Keep breathing and let it come into your awareness as if you were zooming in and you could see that empty space, that blank page, that blank screen. And continuing to breathe, now see a line, a horizontal line being drawn across the screen. And just notice the line. Is it black? Is it white? Just notice the line. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now on one side of the line, on the right side of the line, there's a big plus sign now. So imagine putting a big plus sign at the end of the right side of that line, and at the end of the left side of the line, put a minus sign. And breathing in, breathing out. Just notice your horizontal line going across the blank screen. Just notice the plus sign on the right and the minus sign on the left, and keep breathing in and breathing out. And now as you look at the plus sign, imagine things that you would like in plus or in abundance in your life. Imagine positive images. The plus sign, a positive image, a bag of money, a waterfall, a beautiful white light, a garden of flowers, loving arms, hearts, prayers, joy. And taking a deep breath, looking at that plus sign, breathing all that plus in, positive energy, smiling faces, serene visage of a deity just on the plus sign, and breathing it in, feel it expanding your body. Let your awareness and your vision move to the minus side and look at things that you consider negative. An empty space, a void, an empty money sack, a deflated person with slumped shoulders, something scary. So let yourself continue to look at your negative side until you see things that to you are negative, whatever they might be in your mind. Maybe it's a scary face with teeth. Maybe it's a dead bird on your doorstep. Maybe it's a person scowling. Maybe it's someone coming at you and grabbing your purse or pickpocketing you. Maybe it's a punching hand. And taking a deep breath, let your consciousness be aware of how your body feels as you image the negative. Breathing in, move back across your horizontal line to the right side, to the positive, and focus on the things that you've added on your positive energy side. Could be in cartoon form, could be Technicolor images. Focusing on them again. Keep breathing. Keep being aware of your belly. Keep being aware of your body. And keep looking at those positives, those things that are positive images to you. The baby that you love, your puppy, that adorable kitten, your kitty cat's face, your lover's face, the deity, a whole room full of people chanting to Spirit, a church full praying and singing hallelujah, whatever is, people dancing in the street, colored lights, fireworks, beautiful dinner placed in front of you. Let your awareness move to the positive. And taking a few deep breaths in, just notice if there's a difference in your body. Now, because you're in charge of this screen in front of you, let yourself continue to breathe. Zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole line and the positive and the negative. So in the beginning we zoomed in really up close. And now we're zooming out so we have a little bit of a distant view. And we're distant from it. And breathing in and out, completely close your eyes in your visualization so the screen is gone for a moment. And breathing in and out with yourself, feeling the breath move into the body. As you breathe in, comes in the top of your head, the top of your skull. It releases through the base of your tailbone. It releases through your spinal cord. And so you move your breathing with the rhythm, and you start to feel the rhythm of your lungs and your belly expanding, your abdomen expanding, and you start to feel the rhythm of them deflating. Your eyes are closed in your vision, or you put a curtain over your screen, so you're just in a nice velvety space of darkness, comfortable, quiet, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out.